Okay, so we're just going to replace the oil pressure switch on this Mark 1 Fabia. Oil pressure switch is located at the front of the cylinder head just here, and it has a 24mm flat on it, so you will need a 24mm spanner of some sort. So first thing I'm going to do is just remove this wiring from out of here. Here we go. Now we need to pull the connector off the switch. It's just a case of there's a lever on the back there, and it's just getting a little bit of pull on that to release the latch. Sometimes a screwdriver helps. There it goes, you can hear that click. There it goes, off it comes. So I was able to just get a screwdriver just on there, just to release the pressure. So now we just need a 24mm spanner. There it goes. Oh, a little bit of oil discharge. It's not going to be a lot there because the oil level's a lot lower than that, so I haven't got to worry too much about the oil discharge. So that's the old one, we'll get the new one now, stick it in. Okay, here's the new one. It comes with this plastic cap to protect it. About £20 from Skoda. Probably the same from VW, Audi, Seat dealers for their respective equivalent engines. There it goes. And it just needs to be done up dog tight. Okay, that's on nice and tight now. Then that is going to burn off the engine, so it is worth cleaning that off, otherwise you get a horrible oil burning smell. Unfortunately, I've tightened it up a bit further than the other one, so when I put this connector on, you can see it's going on, so it'll be a little bit easier hopefully to get off next time, because they're where that clip is now. So that's on there. We can put this restraint back in. That's clipped in, and we're good to go. And we're good to go. Let's give it a test. Okay, that's it. That's how you fix the oil pressure sensor on your Mark 1 Fabia. We were getting the yellow light showing a low oil level, even though there wasn't a low oil level, and we now aren't. So job done. Hope that helps. Do please leave a comment below if you've got any questions or any constructive feedback. Constructive feedback respectfully delivered is a gift. I truly believe that, and I'm very, very grateful for all of your comments. Also, please consider subscribing. I will be sure to upload more videos, and be sure to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care.